In a quiet forest, Gautama Buddha was sitting with his disciples when a young man came running toward him. His face was full of worry and confusion. "Master," the young man said anxiously, "I want to achieve so much in life, but fear and doubt always hold me back. I keep waiting for the right time, but it never seems to come. Society's judgment and my own negative thoughts stop me from moving forward. What should I do?" Buddha smiled and said, "Sit down. Take a deep breath." The young man sat beside him, trying to calm his racing mind. The leaves rustled gently in the wind, as if they too were part of the conversation. Pointing toward a small oil lamp, Buddha asked, "Will this lamp refuse to burn just because the wind is blowing?" The young man shook his head. "No, Master. The lamp will continue to burn no matter what." Buddha smiled. "Then why are you waiting for perfect conditions to take action? The right time is an illusion. Life is happening now. This very moment is the right time." The young man lowered his head. "But what about society? What if I fail? People will laugh at me." Buddha picked up a handful of soil and said, "Does this soil change its nature based on what people think?" "No," the young man replied. "Then why do you want to change who you are just because of others' opinions? People speak based on their limited understanding. Do not let their words dictate your path." The young man thought deeply and then asked, "Master, how do I stop my own negative thoughts?" Buddha stood up and pointed to a tree. "If an axe strikes this tree every single day, will it remain lush and green?" The young man quickly answered, "No, it will wither and die over time." Buddha nodded. "Exactly. If you feed your mind with fear and self-doubt every day, how can confidence survive? Start planting positive thoughts instead. When confidence grows, doubt will disappear on its own." The young man's eyes lit up with understanding. Finally, Buddha said, "The mind is everything. What you think, you become. If you choose fear, you will find failure. If you choose confidence, success will follow." The young man bowed to Buddha and walked away with renewed energy. His steps were firm, and his mind was free from doubt. Our journey in this video ends here. We hope you've learned something valuable from this story. But before you leave, we have a question for you. What part of this story impacted you the most? Please share your thoughts in the comments so we can all learn from each other's perspectives. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Inner Vibes, and follow us on Facebook. We will continue bringing such videos to you regularly. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy and keep smiling.